at you.
In the previous 3 videos, Joe and Jude showed you how to set up a kitchen cabinet remodel project, install cabinets, and join them. In this final segment, they will give you a few tips for an oversized microwave cabinet, which will also have an electrical outlet.
Okay, we're getting ready to install a microwave cabinet, which is a little bit bigger than the other ones. Jude, I'm gonna pick it up, put it on there. You work there? This one is a little wider, it sticks out, so we have to use a different technique to attach it to the other cabinet. What I'll do is just draw a pencil mark here where the cabinet edge is. Take it back down. Drop your end, Jude. Now, we'll just mark a couple holes here where we're going to drill through and attach it to the other cabinet. What we're going to do is measure for the plug, the outlet here. So we got 2 1/4 by 4 1/2. And we got up here 3. And 6 1/4. And then we got 3 from here. Oh, right on this here. 3, and then we're 6 1/2. Geez, it looks pretty good, like they're right there. We could just go up to here. It's critical to get them level, because if you're going to start putting tile on the backsplash, you want a nice clean line.
To finish, Jude tightens all the wall fasteners. That concludes our Kitchen Cabinet Remodel Series. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new.
Good.